Here is how we do hand skive by leather knife. Grab the knife as shown will make it easier while skiving. Index finger on the top and thumb on the bottom. Having a sharp knife is super important for mastering the skill. Use a fine texture piece of glass. And also you may attach double-sided tape under the leather piece that you aim to skive. This helps to resist the leather pieces in place while skiving. Please note that the double-sided tape can cause the damage on leather texture, so prior test on a small part of leather is a must. When you start, slide the first opening area. Angle the knife and keep the blade out of the leather edge for a bit. Slice it downwards while maintaining the same angle. Ensure you focus on the width of the skiving margin. Let's review once more how to achieve it perfectly.